Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today the date is 26th of January, the Republic Day of India, and this gives me an excellent opportunity in reviewing one Desi watch, a make in India watch, a made in India watch from the house of HMT, and this is none other than the very high in demand and much awaited watch in for my collection. This is the HMT Kohinoor Salmon Sunburst dial. So quite a big name, right? But a very simple yet beautifully implemented watch. So I will take out the watch. I will keep the invoice and bill warranty card aside. I will take out the spacer. I will keep the spacer aside, and let's go to the watch. I will take out the crystal protector also. I think it is a really nicely done watch. So here it is. Look at the beauty of this watch. The dial shade is like, it has hit the ball out of the park. Very well made, a very nicely done kind of watch, and all those lines, all those shades, all those patterns is very nicely done, very nicely implemented, quite good shade. So this watch was done in a painstaking effort from two of my watch collector friends in my HMT watch communities. So they have done in tandem with HMT and got this Salmon dial done. One of the most sought after shade in watch collection by many other brands and many other watches as well. So let's go to the dial. The dial features a salmon shade colored sunburst pattern overall shade with HMT metal insert logo here, Kohinoor mentioned in white printed, Parashock 17 jewels, which is a proprietary shock protection technology, and then the indices are metal inserts at all the hourly places, as well as a small lume dot on all the indices, and in sub indices these are printed 1 second or 1 minute markers. So something really nicely done. The case shape here is a cushion shaped case with a case die of 36 mm. The lug to lug is around 41 mm. Quite nicely made, it fits well. The lug width is 18 mm, so any standard 18 mm strap would fit into this, or if you choose bracelet then it is well ahead, good, go for it. The case thickness is not that much pronounced, so it is a really comfortable watch. I am not into much of a case thickness kind of guy, so I cannot, I do not bother about that kind of data. I just like the look of the watch, that's it. The acrylic crystal is here. If you can see, it is a flat top crystal, but it is a pronounced up from the dial, so it is a really nicely done crystal here. If you can see what I am telling you, a very robust kind of watch. And I personally believe that the HMT Kohinoors are the most robust watches in HMT segment apart from Vijay and Avinash. So let's go to the case back and the HMT bracelet. The case back here mentions HMT India 0398, and I think this is the Ranibagh Kohinoor case. That is something like, there were many cases that are left with HMT, and HMT is making quite a good use of all those leftover cases, for especially on this Kohinoors. The bracelet is folded metal links kind of bracelet with an adjustable HMT embossed clasp here. I think HMT is mentioned here. So it is really adjustable, really comfortable, and it definitely doesn't pulls hair off my wrist. So the Salmon Sunburst is something really nicely done here, and I think it is at par with all those affordable watches that provide you with Salmon dial. So I will simply wear this watch, and here it is. See how wonderful it looks on your wrist. I think this is something that I want to keep it and cherish with me. Though I am not a huge fan of red kind of shaded watches, but I think this will just do fine for me, because it is a very subtle color, very nicely done, not too much of contrast, and a perfectly balanced proportion of the watch, dial, and overall execution. So thank you for watching the video. Do like, share and subscribe, and do leave some positive and motivating comments. So here is the HMT Kohinoor Salmon Sunburst dial. I will take your leave now. Have a good one.